Hello, this is Darwish from Professor Darwish channel. I'm the founder of this channel, Professor Darwish. Today I'll be teaching you guys about a right triangle inside of another right triangle. This part is little hard, but nothing hard for you to learn. It's easy, trust me. I know I just said hard, but it will be easy if you know trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, tangent, and so on. Sure, this kind of setup is usually described as two right triangles sharing a vertex, or a nested right triangle problem, and it's a common geometry/trigonometry configuration. Description: you start with one large right triangle. Inside it, you draw another smaller right triangle that shares part of the large triangle's base or height, and they both share a common acute angle or a common hypotenuse segment. The smaller triangle is formed by drawing a line from a point on one leg of the large triangle to a point on the hypotenuse, or vice versa, creating two separate right triangles that fit together without overlapping except along their shared side. Both triangles are often similar triangles because they share an acute angle and both are right-angled. This similarity allows you to solve for unknown sides using ratios or trigonometric functions. In many problems, angles are given, like your 20 degrees and 30 degrees, and the goal is to find a missing side in one of the triangles using trigonometry. Key features: shared vertex, usually the top of the big triangle. Shared right angle. Each triangle has its own right angle, often at different positions. Angle. Similarity, AA. Triangles are similar when they share one acute angle and have a right angle. Layered geometry. One triangle's side is part of the other triangle's hypotenuse or leg. Why it's useful in problems. Similarity makes it possible to relate sides between the small and large triangle without having to measure everything. Trigonometric ratios. Sin, cos, tan work perfectly because both triangles have clean angle measures. If you want, I can draw and label a general diagram for this type, so you can refer to it whenever you see one of these right triangle inside right triangle questions.